y'all, welcome to the next edition of Kelly Just Can't Say No. I mean, for real, y'all. But this is exciting and for a good cause, so I'm pretty pumped about it. So today we're going to see how fast it takes me to heat press 25 t-shirts because I literally committed last night to doing these. It's really a great idea. I had someone reach out to me. The boys and girls have their first basketball game at the middle school on Wednesday, which is tomorrow. And they had a great idea of making shirts that could be purchased for $10. And if the kids showed up to the game with them on, they get in for free. Love, love, love this idea. It supports the school. I am in charge of boosters. So it's a great win-win for everyone. I already had the t-shirts. Boosters had already purchased these for doing projects, and I actually already had transfers. I get these from Transfer Express, and it was actually a project I did last year, and if you can see on there, it actually says Spring Fling at the top. Well, I'm going to cut that part off and just use the Moorhead Middle School area because these were left over. They're kind of wasted, and I hate to waste them since we already paid for them. So I'm going to cut that top part off, and then we're going to transfer them onto 25 shirts. I've got 10 small, 10 medium, and 5 large, and I think this is just going to be a fun project, and it really is going to be fast. So I've already heated up my Racoma heat press here to 360, and she's ready to go. This is the easiest heat press to use. I've never had a different one to compare, to be honest with you, but I love it. I love the fun things that I've been able to add to my shop, or really to my life. I've done more with life with this than I have in my Etsy shop. These actually aren't things that I've even added to Etsy as of yet. So, you know, moving forward, I would love to use this for Etsy too. But right now it's really just things like one-off things like this that are super fun. So I'm going to go ahead and start cutting off the top. This is when I really wish I had a paper cutter. I've thought about buying one. I just haven't done that yet. But what we're going to do is we're going to set a timer and we're going to get going. So I think what I'll do first is cut all these out. And then when I'm done with that, the timer will begin. Because really, we just want to know how long it takes to heat press 25 shirts, right? I'm throwing away the Spring Fling. I can't imagine using that again. All right, so hang tight. Okay, here we go. We're going to start the timer because this is literally what I want to know. How long does it take me to do 25 shirts? So I've got the transfers ready. I've got the shirts ready. Here we go. Now I will, well, hold on. I don't know why I said that and then just had one more comment to make. For each shirt, I do press it for 6 seconds. Because that's what's recommended, and then I do the heat transfer. So there's actually 2 presses for each shirt. So, I mean, 50 times basically you're going to see the thing go up and down. It is an automatic open, which is great. So that makes it super quick and helps me with timing, especially when we're trying to go fast. So, ready, set, start. First one done. sorry for my cracked screen, 16 minutes, 44 seconds, and 7 whatever those are called. Y'all, what? I just did 25 heat press shirts in 16 minutes. Bam! Or whatever that cook used to say. 16 minutes. I mean, we'll round it up if that makes us all feel better. 17 minutes, 16 minutes and 44 seconds. You guys, that's all it took to heat press 25 shirts. Could you imagine if I could embroider 25 shirts in 17 minutes? Oh, that would be amazing. So just wanted to show you, this is a super fun project. Now, of course, the time would come in with ordering the shirts and the transfers. But again, both of those things that I get are lightning fast. I can literally get both of those things within 48 hours. The shirts that I order wholesale and the transfers that I get from Transfer Express. So honestly, it's a quick project. 16 minutes, y'all. That's all it took me. I'm getting ready to deliver 25 shirts to the middle school. That is going to earn boosters $250. Whoop, whoop. And it's just a super fun project. It's great to show school spirit, and I'm happy to do it. So thanks for coming along. Happy stitching, happy pressing. Have a good day. I did count just to make sure. 25. Ugh, 25. Heading to the school.